are performing Elfennol, which is the culmination of 3 years' work that we've been doing here in Torfaen as part of the Cauldrons and Furnaces project that is taking place in 8 Cadw sites this summer. Over the last 3 years, we've been working with community groups. We've set up the North Torfaen Youth Theatre, we've been developing a Celtic band in the North Torfaen area, we've been working with several schools and dance groups, and we've designed and created, together with artists, the industrial gamelan that you can hear in the background today. Blaenavon Ironworks means a lot to the people of North Torfaen and Blaenavon, obviously. Lots of their ancestors would have worked here and would have moved here to work here, and in some ways it's a site that people performing here today pass every single day, and today we're giving them a chance to see it in a different light and to see it come alive with performance, with music, with song and with dance and drama.
But I am the Iron Queen. I am Margarella, the Iron Queen.
Blaenavon Ironworks exists because of the rich elements that are here in Blaenavon, the iron ore in the ground, the air, the water and fire, and that is the premise of the elemental performance and the importance of the 4 elements.
Being part of the Olympics is so much fun. Even though the weather is absolutely miserable here today, I'm just having such a great time with all my friends from Crossy School and the Greater Gwent Youth Brass Band, and it's just been great fun, meeting lots of new people, dance troupes, everything.
I never thought I'd be doing this because I was quite sort of single-minded with my music opinion, but now it's been widened. I'm having fun exploring different elements of it.
The legacy of the project will be quite broad because we've worked with the Incidental to develop the Feed app, which hopefully schools in the area will be able to continue to use, as well as Cadw may also be able to use it as part of a kind of for tourists and visitors coming in to experience the site in another way. We've also developed the Bling Gamelan, which will be available for people to use in workshops, and the schools again can use them as part of music lessons. We've also got some groups that we've set up, such as the North Torfaen Youth Theatre and the Celtic Cafe group, which will continue to meet and perform in the area and take part in exciting projects like this.
It was fantastic.
It was brilliant.
Absolutely brilliant. Really enjoyed it. Thought everybody worked well. Brilliant, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was awesome, brilliant.
Really good.
Really, really good. Excellent. Come again.
What about the weather?
Oh, well, it's wet, but we've got to live with it. Just keep going. It's an element.